what's up guys? This is Mike from WeightsnWheels. I know it's been a minute, you know, we do apologize, but we got some more content for you. So today I got my 2015 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. I wanted to show you guys, we did a little blow-off valve mod, $2 at Home Depot. This is 1 1/8 inch. It's a chair rubber cap. So if you take this hose, here, show the hose real quick.
Yes, sir.
So if you take this hose off of the cold air intake, what happens is this hose actually recirculates air. So if you take it off, it'll blow the air into the atmosphere instead of into here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this,
It may put up a fight, but just work with it.
yeah.
Eventually, this tested algorithm will show to prevail. So.
That ain't it, buddy. Alright, man.
Good shit.
Playing games. Alright, man, I quit.
It's all good. I'm sure we can, you know, cut midway through all, like how long it took.
Alright, so you're just gonna wanna take this hose off right here that's holding the cold air intake housing. So if you take this off, this rubber cap goes directly on it. It fits almost perfectly, slides right on.
Well, tell them where you got it from, what it is.
So yeah, so this is from Home Depot. It's about $2 to $3. You get it in a 4-pack, 1 1/8 inch. Make sure you get the 1 1/8. The 1 1/4 does not fit how it's supposed to. This slides right on. You just push it on, and yeah.
There it is.
And that's it. And you just dangle this hose off just like that, you know, it's no big deal. It'll end up, when the air pushes out, it'll end up trying to come up back to where it's supposed to be at. But yeah, you can just leave it. I've had it on for the car for, you know, a long time.
Yeah.
Actually, a guy at a performance shop here in Florida, Parker Performance, his name's Josh. He's the one that told me about it. He highly recommends doing it, so you know you can trust it and everything. It sounds great, but I wouldn't recommend spending like $70, $80 on a blow-off valve. I would just do this. This sounds honestly better than any of the blow-off valve mods that I've heard.
Yeah, guys, we can also say that in person, when you do this mod, you'll definitely hear some kickback, and you're gonna put a smile on your face. It's definitely is a whole different sound than what you might be thinking.
Especially with the Roush cold air intake, if you do have that.
Especially with, you know, modded intake, it definitely gives off that more aggressive, like a bigger turbo must be in this.
So I'm gonna go ahead and we're actually gonna roll this some exhaust clips. This is gonna be a short little video, like I said, just to show you guys this and save you guys some money, you know. So we'll go ahead and roll to the exhaust clips here in a second, and hopefully you guys like this. Let me know down in the comments below. Roll it.